Walker the Realtor, and today I'm at the Silk Lounge and Restaurant located in the Vista in Columbia, South Carolina. I was here for the grand opening ribbon cutting, and let me tell you, it seemed like they brought the whole city out. This was so well prepared and done like it's a new era to Columbia. Check out the Las Vegas vibes. But more importantly, shout out to the chef. I had this rum-infused salmon, Gouda mac and cheese, like cheese, potatoes, you can add on shrimp, and that's an edible orchard on the side. Look at that. Now, that flaky salmon was everything to this Gouda mac and cheese, which is so hard to find. So hard to find. You know, if you're a macaroni lover like me, you know what I mean. Then the chef was like, hold up, I got something different. Whoa, he hit me with the lamb, and I'm just like, okay, well done lamb, and it's falling off. Look at that's falling off. But check out the decor, the vibe. This is at nighttime, and I mean, like, everyone's staff, everyone's great. I mean, well, man, everything, like, this is the upstairs area, so it's 2 levels to this. Hookah lounge, I mean, you can do, look, check out the chandelier and the Mai Tai. Shout out to Love, the bartender. She did her thing. Go to the Vista. This is Ken Walker, the Real.